Good morning, everyone. Chapter 2 Heuristic Search, and today we are going to discuss method to solve A star and AO star algorithm. Right? All of you have learned the traveling salesman problem, or probably you'll be doing it in your design and analysis of algorithm paper. Right? So this is one small example we'll consider. This is node S, it's a start node, and we have to travel to the node G, which is our goal node, right? So I'll just highlight this S as a start and G as a goal node. Okay, and these are the distances given. So we have many ways to travel it, from S to A, then D, E, F, G, or we can travel S to A, B, E, F, and G, right? So this is another information given to us in this example, that is a lower bound estimate to G from each given node. So we can consider this one as some geographical diagram is there, locations are available, and direct distance is calculated, right? So you can assume in that way, but it's not that actual. So from G, C's distance is 3.4, for B it is 5.8, for A it is 10.1, for S it is 11.5, and for G it is D it is 9.2, E 7.1, and for F it is 3.5, right? Now we have to use a A star algorithm. So what exactly we are going to do? We have to calculate a path from S to G, and which one is the shortest one. So the connections will be using from this graph, and values will be using from this graph, right? That's what it is called as AND graph. So we can see here the solution. All the diagram is visible to you, right? So you all can see from S I can travel to A and D, so I have taken it, right? From D I can travel to S, A and E, S, A, E, right? From E I can travel to B, D, F, B, D and F, right? And from F I can travel to E and G, right? Now why other paths are not explored, we'll check it with the values given to us, right? So from S to A we have distance for A as 10.1, and for D we have 9.2 here in the second diagram, right? So connections we are referring from this diagram, and values we are referring from second diagram. So 9.2 is the minimum, so we'll not go for the longest path, we'll go for the nearest one. Then from D you can see the value of A. So direct distance of A is again 10.1, for S it is 11.5, and for E it is 7.1, right? So the minimum is 7.1. So again we are going to explore the path E here. Now from E, B, D, F is there. So B is 5.8 here, D is 9.2 here, and F is 3.5. So again we are going to explore the minimum path. So I am going to explore F. E and G is there. So for E the value is 7.1, and for G is itself our end node, right? Goal node. So it is 0.0. So we have reached from start to goal node, and this is our path, right? And I can calculate the distance, 9.2 plus 7.1, 3.5 and 0.0. So it comes to 19.8. Is it okay? we'll go for next algorithm. This is AND algorithm. We'll go for AO star algorithm, right? So same diagram, I'll copy it once again, right? S to A and D I can travel, right? So here what I have to do, I have to AND and OR, means I have to use this path for exploration connection, and I am going to add both the weights together, right? So from S to A, if I want to travel, in the first diagram 10.1 it is, and for S to A in this diagram it is 3. So I have added it. It is coming to 13.1. And from S to D, if I am going to travel, it is 11. S to D. So for D it is 9.2, and here S to D is 4. So that will come to 13.2, correct? The minimum one is 10.1. So I am going to explore that path, right? So from A to B it is explored, and from A to D it is explored. So for B it is 5.8 in this diagram, right? And S to A and A to B. S to A and A to B is 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 is added. It is coming to 12.8, right? Again you can check for D same way. D is 9.2 here, and here S to A and A to D. S to A and A to D is 3 plus 5. So that is added, and that comes to 17.2. So again you can check here 12.8 and 17.2. This is the minimum. So we'll stop exploring D, we'll explore B. So similar manner I can calculate values for C and E, right? So again E is 19.1. We are not going to explore, and 14.4 C is there, right? But there is no path next to C. So we have to stop exploring this whole branch and we have to go back. And from D again I have to explore E and A. So for A it is 10.1, and from S to D and D to A, S to D and D to A it is coming 4 plus 5, 19.1, right? So again the same level E, we have already calculated 7.1 for E, and for S to D and D to E, S to D and D to E it is 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is there, that is 13.1, right? So this is minimum. So we'll stop exploring A and we are going to explore E, right? So for E it is B and F, right? So for B we'll calculate, it's 5.8 for B here, and the whole path S to D